Your Majesty.
You may be seated.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome to the palace.
Eze Njiko of Njikoka.
Thank you, sir.
Greetings, Your Majesty. I intend to set this meeting in motion already so that those that have something doing will go back to their jobs.
Huh? Oh no, Ugo Chazuo. This is why I like you. You are a man who understands the urgency when it comes to time management in business.
Thank you very much, Ichioli Okata. We consider ourselves blessed in Njikoka for having a man like you.
Ah, Madekeo. Madekeo.
Your Majesty,
Yes.
we are here today to know who you have finally picked for the stone quarry business of Njikoka.
Your elders of Njikoka. This is a formal presentation, though I see you as stakeholders, but others are not here yet. Definitely, Njikoka Radio will announce to the rest of the people officially about this. That's not a problem.
But honestly, Your Majesty, I don't know why we are wasting time on this. We all know who is most qualified to be governing the stone quarry business of Njikoka. I am the one. Mention my name and I will go into business immediately.
Ah, Your Majesty. I greet you, Your Majesty. Greet you. Greet you, my elders. Please, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. On my way coming, I met a problem that could burst into something else. So I decided to stop and sort it out. I'm sorry for keeping the council waiting.
Oh, that's okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Elders of Njikoka. There's no need for rent check for the person we've been waiting for just walked.
What? I don't understand. Ezenjiko, you mean that all this time I seated down here waiting, I was waiting for Pascal Ibezim?
Yeah. That is very correct, Chief Uliokata. Do you have a problem with that?
I have a very huge problem with that. How can you allow this to happen? That this man seated down here, Chief Olin and Doli Okata, Ofonye Naganagu, the all of Njikoka, will be sitting down one place waiting for this boy? No, how can you allow it to be reported anywhere that I arrived at a meeting earlier than this boy and I was sitting waiting for him?
Please, Chief Okata, please. Tankadi here is also a stakeholder. He is the president of Njikoka Progressive Union. You are a well-respected elder and also a stakeholder. We are all here for the progress of the kingdom. Please let us try and avoid any distraction of any sort by looking down on anyone. Please.
Chief Uliokata, I called for this meeting and I gave you an invite because I wanted you to be here. You came for this meeting not to come and wait for Pascal Ibezim. It happened that he arrived very late and he had already given his reasons for that. As progressive-minded people from Njikoka, we should accept what he has said.
It's okay. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. The meeting can continue.
Your Majesty, once again, I apologize for coming late, for keeping you people waiting, okay? You see, on my way coming, I met a big problem, so I had to stop and sort it out. I saw some young men trying to repair a dilapidated bridge, so I had to stop and offer my own contribution and also some logistics. You see, as a leader, I cannot see such and allow it go without helping because I've been contributing to the growth of this kingdom, Njikoka. But Your Majesty, if an elder couldn't realize that he's an elder and decided to be a fool by sitting under the sun. You don't just have to drag him out of the sun, because if you do so, he might think you're insulting him. So all you have to do is to let him, because an elder should know what is good and what is bad to do.
Is it my problem with him? This is my problem with this young man. Who is the old man now? No, who is he referring to?
I think we've had enough of these altercations. Let us remember that we're before His Majesty. We should show some respect. Chief Okata. In fact, I'm totally disappointed at you. Yes.
We're all here to know who my choice of leadership is for the control of the stone quarry of this kingdom. After a wide consultation with stakeholders, we agreed that the leadership should go for the president of the town union. He knows the best better.
What? Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I have to stand up to thank you. I thank you so much for this appointment. I've been pushing so hard to make this kingdom and Njikoka kingdom great. Yes, and we'll continue doing it. But with this appointment, Your Majesty, I am going to make it wonderful. This appointment has actually propelled me to do more.
Your Majesty, now I understand what is playing out here. It is actually very clear. You actually brought me here to insult me. Let us see how it goes.
Okata, are you working out on Your Majesty?
Your Majesty, I will do more. I will do more.
Sometimes we think we know those man, and he will display some behavior that will make us understand that we don't even know him at all.
You can see now.
Let him be. As for you, Pascal Ibezim, you must try as much as possible to stay out of trouble, especially Chief Okata. He has been in this business for decades without proper accountability. It's time for him to give way for the young ones. You are picked because you're a representative of the youth. Don't let them down.
You have my words. He will. I will not let you people down. Take me by my word.
Why do I smell trouble?
Onyemeluko, my brother. I do not smell trouble. I see trouble. But you know what? I, Pankadi, I am not afraid of any trouble.
Hold on. With all these altercations you have with him, don't you think he will come after you?
Look, all I care for is for the development of this kingdom. I do not care to know whose ass gets burnt.
I understand you. But on the second thought, you need to be very careful, my friend. Chief Okata is a very terrible man. He can even kill you without anyone knowing.
Hi, Onyemelukwe, you don't know me. You don't just know me. I am beyond that already. Chief Okata is just playing.
Hi, darling. Oh, Onyemelukwe, you're welcome. It's been a while.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And I learned you were out of town.
When
did you get back?
That was a few months ago.
Oh.
Yeah, I actually went on a business trip. But as you can see, I'm back now.
Mm-hmm. And don't forget my goodies.
Of course.
Thank you.
You're
Babe,
welcome.
I was waiting and then the discussion took quite a while, so I decided to get you appetizer, okay? By the way, the dining is set.
I love the sound of that. The dining is set.
Yeah.
Honest truth, I am very famished.
Oh, all right. I'll be waiting for you both to eat.
Sure, you don't need to. We will come.
All right. See you.
All right. Wow. As if she read my mind, my friend. Indeed, I'm famished. What is it? Are you not going to?
If you don't mind, we're going out now.
Without having this appetizer. Let us consume this first and then go inside for the main
Yes,
food.
we're going to eat. Come with me.
Is it not better we finish this one first?
My friend, get up there. You too like food. Be nearby. Apple.
Wait. I don't understand. This is supposed to be the way to the dining. So what?
Honestly, I do not see any reason why you should be upset. I mean, these positions are meant for the youths. You have held bigger positions, more important positions, even in the state government level, yet you did nothing for your people.
Is it that you're sick or something? Why are you endlessly provoking me? If you don't have anything tangible to say, can't you keep quiet? What do you know about the politics of Njikoka?
Yeah, that is it. I may not know so much, but I know enough to know that you are stressing not just yourself, but everybody unnecessarily. Let the youths handle things. Me, for one, I applaud the king's decision, and I expect you to applaud it as well.
You know, I don't actually know what you are doing here. Majority of your mates are married. And they are living very comfortable in their husbands' houses. What you keep telling me is that I am running my own company, I am running my own business, but you keep pissing me off.
Daddy, you are learned. You should know that marriage shouldn't be the only accomplishment for the girl child. Dad, I run my own company. I am doing very well for myself. And any father in your shoes should be proud of a hard-working daughter like me. Okay, tell me, when last did I ask me for money?
Well, listen, this is not about asking me for money. It is not about running your business. It is not even about marriage. I'm sorry that I mentioned that. I just needed to say something. It is about somebody getting into my way. Eze Njiko of Njikoka is doing everything within his powers to skim me out of the scheme of things in this kingdom. And somebody needs to fight him the way I am fighting him to remain relevant. You need to understand what I am doing here.
Are we not saying the same thing?
How?
Okay, I'll tell you how. What makes a man relevant is not his status in the society. It is the impact that he has made on his people that keeps him relevant. Daddy, why don't you just find a way to be, to impact positivity on your people? Maybe, just maybe, if the king, for any reason, wants to throw you out or be against you, the people will praise you. They will sing your praise. It's all about the people.
I am still tolerating you because you are my daughter. Stop taking your luck too far. You are going to force me to bend you. And when I bend you, every single bone in your body will be broken. I mean every word of that. Make yourself scarce from here. Get out.
Okay.
I'm just the way you left me.
What is it? Eh? You know how tedious my work can be. But it's okay, I'm here now. Don't just start looking for a way to fight.
Really? Well, congratulations. The news is all over the place that His Majesty gave you a new appointment. I'm so happy for you, my love.
Thank you.
But I know that Chief Okata will not be happy about this. He's just going to kill himself with anger.
Who cares? I don't really care. That one is just mad at everybody. But I have it under control.
I say, Chief Okata, to the best of my knowledge, is a very dangerous man. And I want you to be careful.
My dear, it's okay. I'm always careful. You see, we have a lot to do together, and we have some things to discuss tonight.
Something like what?
I'm perceiving something. I need to eat that first before the main food.
I'll be right back.
Okay. We had never on the same lane, so I'm wondering what this visit is all about. I believe you're balling on your own lane while I'm on my own lane. So what are you doing here?
I can see I've been following a wrong person all this while. I would have gone through you.
What are you trying to say? I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me to disappoint Micheal and start campaigning for you?
That would have been lovely. But I know it's not possible anymore. Yes. I am sorry for the things I've done in the past. I was only misled by Chief Oliakota.
You have to take responsibility. You settled for Chief Oliakota because you feel he can influence your political victory.
Chief Oliakota is a scammer. And nothing good can come out from a scammer. I have decided to step down. But if there is a way or any way you feel you can help, please, don't hesitate to help me.
It's a good thing you've retraced your steps. But my advice for you is to turn a new leaf. Start working towards developing this community. Be a positive giver. You're not supposed to be a taker. Be a giver so you can restore your dignity. Huh?
You're right. You're right. But like I said before, if there is any way you can help, please, do help.
From the things I've said, just figure out what to say.
Wait, stop.
Stop what? Babe, why are you behaving like I'm about to do something bad?
You see,
The only reason I still allow you here is because I do not rough handle women. Why are you stressing me? What is this? Huh? Why are you all over me all the time?
Come on, darling, I am your woman and you are my man. So now tell me what's so bad in a wife to be wanting to be so close to her husband to be.
Please, please, just remove all these fantasies from your head, your man or not. We all need space. This is not a good time, you know? It's not a good time.
Pascal, you're trying so hard to push me away. But newsflash, I'm not buying it. I'm not going anywhere and I won't let it happen.
Please, please, I had a very hectic day. Okay? I need to get some rest. Just go back to your room, please.
I don't understand. Wait, I don't even understand this new method of sleeping in different rooms. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that tonight. I'm sleeping right here.
Oh, what is this? Are you trying to rape me or what? Huh?
Don't it be better, babe? Come on.
I'm actually no.
Why are we doing this?
Actually, go to your room.
I'm not doing that tonight.
Oh, not your homaka. Oh, damn.
Look, young man. My name is Ifoli Okata. The Ofonya Naganago and the Otikpo Lupo of Njikoka. You will not claim you don't know me. I gathered that 8 moving machines have been smuggled into this facility and that they are working as we speak. Why are you denying me entrance?
I'm sorry, Chief. We're under strict instructions not to let you in.
You are under strict instruction from who?
Our boss, Pankadi.
Pankadi instructed you not to let me in, and you're obeying that instruction?
Chief, if not the respect I will have for you, we'll not be talking to you. Just follow due instructions now.
I am standing here waiting because I know you come. I know you're too predictable. I know you come, that is why I left the gate open.
How dare you stop me from accessing that site? How dare you?
That land belongs to the people of Njikoka. And as the president of Town Union, I am safeguarding that place and making sure that criminals do not access it.
What has come over you? Are you claiming you don't know that land belongs to me? You don't know?
Where are the documents proving that it belongs to you? Show me.
What is wrong with this boy? What is wrong with this boy? Do you want me to turn things off before you organize yourself?
Chief Oliokata, I am well organized. I am very well organized. I was told that precious stones have been deposited on that land, and we're working on it. And we're also making sure that every dime, every money gotten from that land will be deposited in the people of Njikoka's account.
This tree you are planning to cut, when it finally falls, can you carry it alone?
I am not going to carry it alone. But the youths of Njikoka, who understands where we are heading to, will carry it along with me.
Listen, boy, I don't want to fall out with you. That is why I am giving you 24 hours to bundle your men out of that land before you see the real me. I have been working on that land for 2 years now. Don't provoke me.
You see, that's one problem I have with you. You like taking from people. And it's not good. And let me warn you, let me not find your feet in that land again. Else, you will tell the appropriate authority what you're doing on that land and what you've been doing with the money you got from that land.
What did I just hear you say?
You heard me right, Chief Oliokata. And if you think you're man enough to fight this small boy, then let me see you in that land. You will not like to see what happened to you. Chief Oliokata, this is the new era. You just have to get used to it.
Baby. Babe. Is he in restroom. Babe! Who could this be?
Opanka, I need you to get your men prepared. When I say get them prepared, I mean every definition of that word. Because very soon, we will be going to war.
Who is the target, sir?
Pankade. That young man has been a pain on my neck. He is biting more than he can chew. And I have decided that the time has come for me to put him in his place. I just want to believe you are not afraid of him.
Not at all. I will put him on that track.
Good. Good to hear. I need you to keep your ears and your eyes on the ground. Get me every vital information you can get for me about him. I hope that is okay.
Noted, sir.
All right, sir. Maximum confidentiality. All right, sir. Nobody hears of this.
Dad. You know, I'm just thinking. Will a day ever come when you engage these boys in legitimate hustles rather than sending them out to do your dirty dealings? Dad, I understand. I understand that you have your differences with Pascal Ibezim, but if you ask me, this is not the right way to go about it.
You know, you are actually very stupid. Very stupid to be off. Just put yourself up there eavesdropping on my conversation with my business associates. Very stupid of you. Are you even aware that the useless name you just mentioned, just recently, took one of my sites? Do you know how much I have lost on the account of that stupid act of his? Do you even know?
But Dad, you acquired that land forcefully. That's an illegal act. Daddy, if you had done the right thing, I am sure he wouldn't have been able to take that land from you. You have plenty businesses besides. So why don't you concentrate on them and stop causing
In the absence of something tangible dropping off that useless mouth of yours, get out of my sight.
But Dad...
I said you should get out of my sight.
I love you still.
How else can anybody define uselessness? Until you blow the whistle on me, then you will understand the kind of father you have.
I need to see you now. I'll send you the address. Yes, it's urgent and it cannot wait. All right, see you then.
Baby! Somebody help me!
Babe! Oh my God. Oh my goodness. God, please. Please. This dream should not come to pass. God, please. I don't want to feel any pain. God. God. Typical of him. He's not even taking his calls. Father Lord. God, no. This dream can't happen. It can't happen. Babe, pick up!
Yes. Address verified. Yes. Location confirmed.
Babe,
Yep.
can you tell me how I can talk to Chief Williokata?
My love, why are you worrying yourself about this man? This man shouldn't be our problem.
I get it. In as much as you're trying not to make it our problem, it is indeed our problem.
I'm trying to put a fool in his right place. Okay? So I should be allowed to do my thing.
Why? Why are you dismissing this dream? I am really scared.
Babe, you're having those dreams because you worry yourself too much. If you stop worrying yourself and put your mind at rest, then believe me, you won't be having those dreams again.
Babe, that's not true. It's probably a revelation.
Babe, free your mind. Put your mind at rest.
Mankade, now that you're in charge of controlling the stone quarry business of Njikoka, why don't you secure an opportunity for me? Let me come and work for you.
My friend, what is wrong with you? Eh? Haven't you gotten enough money? All we should be talking about now is how to put her together and lift the young ones.
Exactly. Exactly my point. Let me come and work for you. You need me.
What did you just say?
To
You,
work? Of
a
course.
big boy like you coming to work for me, are you joking?
You see, Pankadi, I'm very proud of you. Look, no jokes, I am proud of you. I mean, your determinations to see that our own people grow. It's something that Njikoka will forever remember a great man like you.
Thank you so much. You see, people like Chief Oliokata thinks that life is all about them. Okay? They think everyone should bow to them to become relevant in the land.
Even if he's feeding them, there's a limit to everything.
Yeah. Honestly, you know, Ugo Shazwe, I am very disappointed in you. A man of your status should not be partnering with a tout who is working so hard, supporting another tout to produce the chairman of the local council.
Are you indirectly referring to the king as a tout?
Listen, Pascal Ibezim, the one you all prefer to call Pankadi, is the one we are discussing about here.
Well, we are all aware that Pankadi was a cultist. But even while he was living that negative life, he always fought for the good of his people. It is not on record that he has ever hurt anyone that is from Njikoka.
You are saying what you don't know. There are some people he killed their relatives here in Njikoka.
With all due respect, Chief Oliokata, do your findings well. Pankadi is not a killer.
Why do I have this very disturbing feeling that you are his fan? Why?
Why did you invite me here?
Stop pretending. You know exactly why I invited you here. You are a man I hold in high esteem, and men who are men do not pretend. Listen, I want you to partner with me. When you start partnering with me, the cabinet will be divided. And when the cabinet is divided, that man you refer to as your king will no longer be able to be supporting Pascal Ibezim.
Chief Oliokata, if this thing you just said is the only reason you invited me, then it's a total waste of time.
How do you mean?
We, the cabinet, are there to support the king when he is doing a noble thing, and to correct him respectfully if he deviates.
And this nonsense he is doing now is part of the things you refer to as noble?
Not just me, but majority of our people. See, Chief Oliokata, if I were you, I will join hands with Pankadi in making sure that Njikoka is taken to the next level. This thing I just told you is the only way you can cleanse your name and redeem your image that is already battered.
Don't. Don't just insult me. Be very careful with your languages. What do you mean? How can you say that my name needs to be cleansed? I have a name that is very credible, a name that is even bigger than Njikoka itself. How can you say that the name needs to be cleansed? Stop that.
Chief Oliokata is only someone that loves someone that will tell him his breath smells. You are the only man whom the people have not benefited anything from in any way. Stop giving yourself accolades you don't deserve.
You are in my house on my invitation and you are insulting me.
How? May the gods and ancestors of Njikoka rise against me if I insult you. I'm only telling you the truth. But it's obvious you don't like the truth. So I'll be on my way. Have a good day.
No, go Shazua. This man wants to be halted. And when I finally decide to halt him, I'm going to halt him the hard way.
Wow. Wow. I see he's really taking good care of you.
And you are? What are you doing here?
You still have the guts to question me? Like you still have the nerves to ask me to introduce myself to you? Oh, really? Yes. You're dating another woman's man. And now you're asking me silly questions? Since you've decided to do that, I guess you're meant to use your brain to make your proper findings to know who his main chick is.
The last time I checked, my man will not cheat on me. Even if he decides to cheat on me, not with a low-life, classless chick like you. Are you okay? Because you sound like someone who just escaped from asylum. Are you sure you're not sick in the head?
I'm talking about Pankadi. He is my man. And you fool should let that sink in.
Pankadi, your man? Congratulations. But how come he never mentioned you to me? How come he never mentioned you to me? And how come your presence has never been felt in his life?
You know what? I do not blame you one bit. The one I blame is Pankadi for reducing himself to someone like you. I mean, this thing.
You see this thing here? He enjoys it. But nevertheless, I will not stand here to banter words with you. Such a mad girl. When you're done, get the hell out of my house. Excuse me. Stupid.
Are you just walking away? Did she just... Okay, fine. Very, very fine. I'm going to come back here, and when next I'm here, she's going to feel it the hot way. How dare she?
Opaka, I hate to term you a failure, but honestly, you are beginning to annoy me. How can you tell me that you have been hanging around this young man and you don't have anything to tell me? I need information. I need you to pin something on that young man, something I can capitalize on to pull him down. Can't you understand it?
I have been watching him closely. But no move yet.
Why do I find it so difficult to believe what you are saying? That young man is not the kind of young man that will just sit idle without doing anything, without making any moves. How?
None of them have been executed yet.
Listen, I don't want it to be reported anywhere. In fact, I don't want it to be that I failed to hit my target because of your incompetence. If that turns out to be the case, you are not going to like the rhythm of the music I will play for you.
I assure you, with little time, I will give you useful information, sir.
Okay. You may leave now.
Thank you, sir.
You mean she came here? How? Why? And how did she find you?
I don't know. I am shocked myself. Me? She threatened me and promised to bring down the heavens if I refuse to stay away from you.
That girl is mad. Because it's only madness can make someone do what she did.
Babe, I really need that mad girl to stay away from us.
Definitely, she's going to stay away from us. Definitely.
Babe, come on. Don't let that mad girl spoil your mood. You're here to see me.
I know, but you see...
There's no but. Why can't you just send her packing? You don't want her, you don't love her. Her presence irritates you.
I'm just being careful.
Babe, why is she still hanging around?
I'm just being careful.
I know. I really do. You don't have to be mad. Look at you. Come here. You need to be taken care of. You need some rest. Don't you think so?
Yeah, definitely. I think I need that rest.
Come here. Come to mama. Come to mama.
What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you going round town spoiling my name? Why?
So, you're not even denying it?
Deny what? What do you want me to deny? Did I promise you anything? Did I?
Babe, you don't need to promise me anything for me to know that we both are in something glorious. You know how much I love you, Pascal, and I want to be with you.
I do not love you. The earlier you put that into your brain, better for you. Do you understand? I don't even know what you're doing here. I don't know what you're still doing here. Oh, maybe that is what is giving you the right to interfere in my affairs, right?
This is not fair, is it? It's not fair. What do you want in a woman that I do not have?
Listen, let me tell you. The next time you go there to create drama, you will not like the other side of me. You won't like it.
Babe, why are you doing this to me? You're hurting my feelings. Why? Babe!
Oyemelukwe, I have told you to forget about this issue.
Pankadi, what are you saying? This girl is hurt.
Pray for me that I make a better choice of a life partner.
I don't understand. What other partner are you looking for if not Ngozika? Huh?
Oyemelukwe, I am the one with the weight. I know how heavy it is for me. And I know the part of my body that is aching. Forget about this issue, please.
It's all right. It's just that she complained to me bitterly. As a matter of fact, she asked me to talk to you about it. But from the way you're responding now, I think I'll have to tell her that you're beyond me speaking to.
My dear friend, you won't understand. But don't worry. Soon, you will understand.
Opanka, I am so disappointed in you. If not that you are my loyal boy, I would have fed your remains to the dogs by now.
I'm very sorry, sir. I will make it up to you.
I am interested in knowing how you are going to make it up to me. I pay you. I retain you in this circle, and your job is very simple. Nose around for information and provide for me. Now you're not doing that. So how come you're not aware he is now backing one of the most credible candidates for this election? Do you know what will happen if that young man picks from finally? I am interested in knowing. How do you intend to remedy this?
So I am trying my best, just that the politicians of these days, they hardly review their secrets on phone. They handle their affairs secretly, and that makes it difficult for me.
And you parade yourself as a mafia. And you cannot unmask their intention. You cannot unmask what they are planning. I need to understand what is going on here. I pay you the kind of money that even bank managers in this area don't earn. Your job is to give me information, nose around for information and give me information back. Now I am the one that is giving you the information that naturally you should be the one giving me. That is because you have abandoned the job.
Not exactly, sir. I just need you to give me small time, sir.
Opanka, son of Okoro Iweka, my boy, I hardly give up on people because I work with people. I see people as the biggest weapon the mafia lord should keep. But woe to that word I give up on. He or she will become endangered species.
It will not get to that, sir. I just plead you give me some more time to sit up.
Listen to me. Opanka, let it not ever be said that I am the one who is now giving you the information that naturally you should give me. If that happens, I am going to categorize you as useless. You know what happens when I categorize anybody as useless? Get out. It is not ever in my nature to be the one that is ending my men, because I value my men. But if any of them will rise in a way that he has become the reason my reign will end, I will end him without any apology.
Does it occur to you that you are insulting my personality?
Insult, you say? Your personality. So of all the points I just made to you now, the only thing you can drive home is insult. Clearly your problems are way deeper than I thought.
Does it mean you are working against your father?
I have a question for you. Why would a young man like you decide to sell his soul to the devil?
Do you mean to say that you consider your father to be worse than the devil?
Do not switch things up here. My father is a bone of contention. Listen, look at you. Your mates are making money. You are a full-grown man with potentials. Your mates are out there making legitimate money. But here you are, cohorting with my father, doing his dirty dealings for him. My father has his legs and hands intact, yet he sends you to do his dirty biddings and you do them. Are you not just a fool?
Now let me tell you. If you have a family issue, why not you sort it out without involving a stranger like me?
A stranger? You still consider yourself a stranger? My father has you where he wants. He has you at his beck and call, and then you stand here and still consider yourself a stranger. Oh. Whoa.
I am taking this insult from you because you are Chief's daughter.
Oh, wow. And if I wasn't, what would you have done? Tell me. Slit my throat? Sneak the daylight out of me? You've decided to remain a fool, and you've chosen the path of self-destruction. So knock yourself out. Destroy yourself. Keep fooling yourself.
Fidelis, I will just ask you to calm down. Okay? Just calm down.
Chief, the day I brought money to you, you assured me I will emerge unopposed. But as it stands now, I have opponent, not just opponent, a strong competitor.
Can you just calm down? Yes, I agree with you that it was not like this when you came, when we started. This young man just emerged from nowhere. But you don't need to bother yourself. I have already set in motion a machinery that will see him run away. Just relax and watch what is going to happen.
Chief, to my own best of knowledge, Micheal Anosike has a good record in this community. And our people will be so happy if he joined the race.
And then I'm just telling you one more time that you are disturbing yourself for nothing. Okay? When it comes to real-time politics, what the people are thinking, I mean their opinion, are irrelevant. Nobody is thinking about all those things. There are people who decide who occupies any particular position. The people that decide who wins what. And here in Ijikoka, I am the head of that circle. Micheal Anosike is an idiot. There's nothing he can do. He is not going to be the next chairman of this council. Do you know why? Because if he enters there, he is going to sanitize the local council. And we don't want anybody who will sanitize the place. We want the council to remain the way the council is. If he decides to go into the race, when the election comes finally, and the results are announced, he will not even come second.
Chief.
I'm telling you.
I am so happy you found me worthy for this post.
Well, you may be wrong to say that I found you worthy. When it comes to deciding who occupies any particular office, we don't consider who is worthy or who is not. What we consider is the person who has the body language. I mean, the chemistry that will flow with what we are thinking. That is to say, we go for the one who will play the kind of politics we want the person to play. And you are the one who believe who can do this. Let me tell you, at any point, you deviate from what we are asking you to do and start to do something else, we are going to pull the carpet under you.
Come on, Chief. You know that will never happen.
Well, I know, but I'm just setting the record straight. You know, the people will always look at me and they will say that Chief Linando Liokata is not a good man. This is the reason. I don't have any permanent friend. I don't have any permanent enemy. Once anybody decides to fall out with me, I will fight the person with every weapon in my arsenal. And most of the times, even the onlookers will be believing that this is a total stranger. I don't know
I can see that, Chief.
You want to say?
By the look in your face, I can notice that you're not going to support me in the next election.
Let us assume that you've been given an opportunity to campaign to me. I'd like to hear what you have to say to me.
Come on, Melissa. I am your father's candidate. We are the ones controlling the affairs of this local council. I don't need to campaign to you. Your vote automatically supposed to be mine.
Unfortunately, it is not. And I can tell you for a fact that no right-thinking member of the cabinet or this entire region will you have their votes.
If I may ask, are you working against your father?
Listen. This is not about my father, and I will appreciate it if you leave him out of this. Let me ask, what do you even have to offer to the people? Nothing. Absolutely. And that is why you're hiding under my father's shadows to manipulate your way into office. Is it not?
Young woman, watch your mouth. I will not have you here insult me.
Where is the insult exactly? Because I can't find any. If you think you are good enough for the council, why don't you go straight and make yourself known? Why don't you go and approach the people yourself? But no, you can't. You know why? You've got your hands sold. You've literally sold your soul to the devil. You've got skeletons in your cupboard. Do you deny it?
Do I believe you're not proud of your father?
I've got a piece of advice for you. And I hope, pray, and wish that you take it. Join forces with the right candidate. Just for once. Maybe the people will just see you and recognize you for something good. Just this once. Trust me. And if for anything, probably, somehow, they may just give you a chance to right your wrongs. Don't you think? Have a good day, Mr. Fidelis.
Sorrows of the rich and famous. They must have that one child that will always look at them eyeball to eyeball and insult them. Definitely.
What nonsense were you discussing with Fidelis Okoli?
The truth he needed to know.
What the hell do you mean by that? What nonsense truth? Does it mean you cannot learn how to mind your business and stop dabbling into the things I do?
And when, if I may ask, Daddy, did you start having issues with the truth?
Listen, if this is what you have become, if this is what you are going to be doing, then I will advise you, in your overall interest, pack your things and relocate and go be with your brother.
Oh, okay. So
it is not funny.
You're now tired of me being here because I want things done the right way?
What the hell do you know about something being right or being wrong? Whatever I do in Njikoka is my business. Stop getting involved in my affairs to the extent of approaching any of my political affiliates with any element of insult. If you do that, I will kill you. And when I kill you, I will bury you secretly before anybody knows you are missing.
Wait, Daddy, did I hear you well?
Stop getting involved in my affairs.
Did you see?
Why can't he be a decent man of this land? Why must it be my own father to be the tyrant? Dad!
Doing evil in the name of politics.
I do not want you to be having altercation with her. Please.
She's always coming to me. And that's because you refuse to put her in her place. I mean, do you want to marry two women at the same time?
Hey, come on. Why are you talking like that? Who is talking about marrying two women at this modern age? Huh? I don't just want both of you to start fighting.
Just leave us alone. I'll give her her own peace.
Hey, come on. My angel. The woman of my world. The center of my joy. The queen of my heart. The center of my joy. Odumnobi. I know what you can do, okay? But please, let her. I mean, you guys are not in the same category for you to stoop so low. The exchanging word with her or just trying to bring yourself down to her level. You're not of the same category. Come on.
Okay, I've heard you.
You see? See why I said you're the best. Let me tell you something. Good women always listen to their men.
Yeah, that's true. Why won't I listen when I have a good man? Are you eating now?
I kind of want to eat later, but because of what you've just said, I think I am hungry.
Okay. I'll get you your food.
Okay. Come here.
Your Royal Majesty.
Please, may you be seated.
Thank you. Your Royal Majesty, Ezenjiko of Njikoka. This is the new chairman of Njikoka Local Government Council. He
is not yet the local government council chairman, Chief Okata. It is when he go out there and face the race. If he wins, when you address him as a chairman, then it will make sense.
Well, Your Majesty, you have a point. But for me to bring him here will show you that he is my anointed candidate. As my anointed candidate, he has been scrutinized by me, and I know he is the one we need for the transformation of Njikoka local government area. I just brought him here so that you can give him your royal blessing.
Well, Chief Okata, nothing good comes from you. Why bring him here when you already address him as a chairman?
Your Majesty, you just insulted me, but I'm going to let it slide because you are king. I know that you are not my fan. You don't actually hide it. It is very clear. But does it mean that when you see something good coming to the kingdom where you rule, that you are not going to accept it? Because you're not somebody's fan? Fidelis Okoli here is the one we need in a time like this to transform this, our local government council. I just want you to give your royal blessing.
Chief Okata, I don't need to give him my royal blessing to get a ticket. he should face the crowd. If he wins the race, then his clean hands is already open. That determines if he is losing or he is winning.
Your Majesty, you are not treating me as a subject here. If you're having problem with Chief Oliokata here, are you also having problem with me?
What kind of business are you doing?
Your Majesty, I'm into importation.
As an importer, what development have you brought to this land?
That is why I'm here. I am here to transform this community, to take this community to the next level, Your Majesty.
Brilliant. Very brilliant.
If truly you are an importer, why are you here contesting for the position of chairman? It's obvious that whatever thing you are doing is illegal. You're looking for cover-up.
Your Majesty, I take exception to that. I don't understand. Why are you drawing conclusions when you lack information?
This boy is trying to hide under your guise. And that's not the kind of chairman we want.
Why are you saying so many things all at once, Your Majesty? Do you know me as one of those men that can easily be associated with failure? What is this?
Okata, I have not said that. I have equally decided not to interfere in this forthcoming election. Our people are already waiting for their candidates to hear from them, and they will choose who to vote. This election is for the people. I have only one vote to cast. One vote.
You see the way they are doing evil in the name of politics.
Huh. Now I understand this. So you have been the one deceiving this young man to contest with me. Eh?
To my best of knowledge, Chief Oliokata, I don't think you've bought form for this election. Have you? So why then are you saying anyone is contesting with you?
I need you to go and mark it somewhere. I have never lost on anything I am running for. It never happened.
So by this, you're saying that you're actually the one contesting through this tout that everyone have already rejected. Huh?
Mr. Man, be careful with your utterances. Who are you referring to? As a tout? Who? I am asking you.
You know what? I don't have your time. Come on, let's go.
The conspiracy is becoming very obvious. I am going to ground these people to a halt.
Your Majesty, I greet you once again. I brought my friend here to seek your blessing.
Your Majesty, I know it's almost a taboo for someone like me to appear before the king empty-handed. Igwe Njikoka of Njikoka. So that is why I've sent some money to the palace secretary for further remittance to you. Well, I'm case of
Thank you very much, my son. You have done well, my son. In all honesty, I am not expecting anything from you.
Your Majesty, please, do not decline. He's just following the tradition.
Well, like I've already told Chief Oliokata, this forthcoming election is all about the people. I've already decided to allow the people make their choice.
What is the problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? If you cannot bear the heat, then get out of the kitchen.
I will not leave the kitchen because I am the woman in the kitchen. You have lit up that heat, so we have to bear it together. I'm not leaving, I'm the woman there.
I did not send it to her. So if you have any altercation with her that leads to embarrassment, then it's your problem. It's not my problem. It concerns you. Allow me to have peace in my house now.
I will not give you that peace because you've decided not to give me peace. I need my peace. Just give it to me. That's all I ask. Why are you doing this? I mean, is it a crime to love you? Is it a crime?
You cannot blackmail me. You cannot blackmail me and do not push me. Do not push me to the point I'll be the person to push you out myself. See, I only allow you to exhibit your madness. Okay? But when you're done with it, you can go on your own. Do you know my name? Pankati. No one toys with me. Do you understand? Oh, or do you think I do not know what you're up to? Is that what you think?
Come back. Why are you doing this to me? Is it crying for me to love you? Babe! Babe, I'm so sad. What are you talking about?
I hope all is well. Yes, all is well. No, I'm surprised to see you.
I heard you people are going on campaign rally soon.
Oh yes, the king instructed that every candidate should face his people and no one should undermine the choices of the people.
I need you to tell Micheal and Osike to get more security. You never can tell what will happen.
Oh no, one thing you don't know is that Chief Uliokata can be so stupid to stop the rally.
We are talking of a chameleon who openly said that he's a man of many faces.
I do not care. I don't care if he's a man of many faces, but what I know is that Chief Uliokata cannot stop the rally.
Pankadi. If you ask me, you know who is right. All we are trying to say is for you to be extra careful.
I thank you for your concern. I really do appreciate. Thank you. What are you talking about?
I am only saying that you should be careful with your candidates. You have stepped on Chikoriakuta's toes so many times.
I'll keep doing that till he realizes that Njikoka is not his inheritance. He's just part of us, like others.
You both are battling for supremacy. You know if his candidate loses, he will lose his relevance forever. And you know Chikoriakuta will never allow that to happen.
And you want me to start bothering you because of that?
I need you to be extra careful. I handed the Black Dragon to you and you were such a reliable commander. Even as you decided to quit the confraternity, I still feel I owe you this information. Be very careful. We grant the slippery for you.
It's okay, thank you for the piece of advice. But remember, I am Pankadi, and there is no going back. Have a nice day.
What is this idiot's poster still doing everywhere? What is our boys doing?
Honorable, it boils down to the same thing I told you. We are slacking.
Yes, you're right. Just that I don't want to apply any negative edge in this election.
You cannot win any election in this country without that negative edge. The system is already rigged. So, if you must win election in this country, you must rig what is already rigged.
You're right. I love that word. Rig what is already rigged. Beautiful word. And that is what we are going to do. But before then, make sure you dismantle all the posters. I don't want to see them again.
Honorable, it's never a problem. I will just do exactly what you have ordered me to do.
Beautiful. I trust you.
And I must do my best to make sure this election you win your vote.
You motherfuckers! Look them! Okay! So, and I put this nonsense. What did we do? Honorable Michael! Anosike, God punish him! Punish him! You will never win an election! You will never win an election! In fact, fuck you! Look at this man! Oh yeah, chase him! Chase him! Let's chase him! I said chase him! Chase him, man!
Jesus. Hope you know they are from Chief Oliokata.
Yeah, I know. But why is this so interesting about this one now, eh? You're not even contesting for the election. Eh?
As for me, I am going.
I don't understand. Wait. Nobody did that one now. Eh? Guy, we need our money. Half of the money you don't give up. You still need your own money now.
You can stay, eh? And finish the job. As for me, I need to listen to my mother who asked me to go back to Onitsha.
You can go. For me, I'll go and play that job and collect the money. They there. Hey!
When I was warning him about Chief Oliokata, he was adamant about it. Just look at... God, I hope my dream doesn't come through. God, please. I feel he's in trouble. God, please. Can you just connect for once? Baby.
You have to confirm this for me. It's all over the news. What really happened there? Is he alive or not? What do you mean you're not certain about... How is it possible that you can't tell me if he's alive or not? You need to find this. I need to know what exactly that happened there. Please. Fine.
Tell me Pankadi is inside.
How do you mean? He went for this campaign thing, you know that. So how is it that he'll possibly be here now or appear at this place? How?
But you've seen the news everywhere.
More reason you should go out there and search for him. Not staying here.
Look, I've searched for him. As a matter of fact, I tried calling his lines, but all to no avail.
So you don't have anyone you can call that knows maybe what exactly happened there or can tell you his whereabouts?
That's the point. No one. Let me just... Let's... You know what? I'll be right back.
Wait. Can I come with you? Where are you going? Wait.
For God's sake, you're only supporting a candidate. Must you put your life to it?
Thank you all for, I appreciate you all for worrying about me, but I'm fine. I'm back now.
Look, if this has gotten to the point of shooting guns, I'll advise you back out. Pankadi, you have a future ahead of you.
You see, Oyemelukwe, when you find out that your future is being rigged and you sit without doing anything about it, the future will come back and you will discover that you're nothing. You just discover you're nothing. This battle is for the future of the kingdom of Njikoka. And I will not allow it to be rigged again.
I totally understand, okay? But I'm worried about you. You have to be very careful. And most especially with that chief, Olokata. You know it's very dangerous. He can go to any length. I mean, any length just to destroy you. Pankadi, my question is this. Must you put your hand in his face? You and I know that that man has connections.
The touts who became rich by embezzling our commonwealth thrive by intimidating our people. He has done it for years now, as if we are conquered people. But his time has come. I will not allow it. I will see to it.
Are you aware that you're going to regret this?
Babe, what is wrong with you? You cannot tell me that you did not see my calls and how worried I was. But instead, you decided not to take my calls?
What happened in Njikoka yesterday has never happened before. I was only trying to make sure that everything and everyone was fine.
Can you stop this politics already? You are okay the way you look. Babe, stop before these people kill you. Stay away from them.
Men who are desirous of change do not fear death.
Are you for real? You are going to make me your wife. And you already see yourself as a target to be killed?
Hey, come on. Come on, stop this. Stop talking like this, okay? Nothing is going to happen to me, okay? Because I'm fighting a just fight.
Babe, why? Why are you so stubborn? Why are you inconsiderate? Have you thought about what will happen to the people who love and cares for you? If something bad happens to you, have you thought about me? How much I love you?
Babe, I gave an example to drive home my point. Nothing is going to happen to me. Okay? Nothing is going to happen to me. Okay?
Can't you stop?
Come on.
Someone finally decides to walk out.
The guts of you always showing up at my house unannounced baffles me. Are you not scared of what I can do to you?
You can't do anything to me. Absolutely nothing. I'm very sure of that.
I see. Can you be civil enough to tell me why you are here?
I know why you're doing all this. Tagging along. I know. And it's not your fault. It is poverty. To do the unimaginable things just to live up to the life. Just to live up to the lifestyle. And it is okay because I understand you. I know, okay?
Listen, I do not have luxury of time. If you don't have anything meaningful to say, if you don't want to tell me your reason of coming to my house, I am going to get busy with other things.
Wait. Here. Take a look at it. Go on. Open it. I need you to stay far, far away. Far away from my man. Not even close enough to be able to perceive his cologne. Cash this check and be gone for good. That's all I ask. I'm being overly generous here.
I was never wrong about you. This is so poorly of you. 2 million naira? Are you this cheap? Now listen, let me warn you. Stupid girl. Stupid girl.
Meet me at the usual spot right now. I do not intend to repeat myself. Meet me right now.
Do you understand what you're saying?
Do I look like I'm joking? You know me too well, Panka. I do not joke. The player has refused to play the ball, so she has to leave the field. Delete her completely.
I hope it will not escalate.
Of course, if you do a quack job, it will escalate. But I know you to be professional in your jobs, so do it.
That's not the response I expect from you. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, Panka, waiting now. Waiting they worry you. Do this clean job. Are we going all over the same issue?
This is not the response I expect from you.
I beg I they go.
Wrong timing. Wrong timing. No one is here. I'm the one here. I have checked everywhere. There's no one here. There you go again. Why do you like unconventional style? Why?
Thank goodness. Hello, babe. I'm not fine. I think I'm in danger. I believe someone is coming after my life. I'm outside. I managed to sneak out of the house. Yes, I just want to be somewhere and then send you the address so you can come get me. Please, I need you to come right away. Okay, that's fine. Yes, I'll do that now. You see, just look around. I told you someone is after my life, but you do not believe me.
Babe. Just calm down, okay? I've already called off the camera, okay? I have the footage of the invention. I'm handling it already. Please.
Just look at it. Have you seen it? Someone wants me dead.
Hey, just listen to me. I need you to calm down now. You've worked up yourself a whole day. Please, just calm down. Say, we're going to arrange this place together, okay? But you need to rest. You need to take a shower and rest. Please.
You still want me in this house? Is this house even safe?
For now, please, just calm down.
Wait, what nonsense are you talking about? Eh?
I am saying there's a new development. You have to put on hold on anything that have to do with Pankadi and his woman for now.
Why will you say such to me? Why? You're not done with the job. You're meant to do the job first. Get it done. That's the instruction.
There are some men involved in it now, and I can't continue. And I told you that we have to put on hold for a good reason.
Which you haven't even mentioned. What is the reason?
Madam, have a nice day.
Really? Oh, this is it now? Okay. Have a nice day. No sense. I think it's time I involved Chief into this. I mean, why will Opanka disobey my instructions? Is he all right?
You sent for me.
Yes. Someone wants to speak with you. Hello? Okay, the stupid guy is here, the idiot is here.
I'm loyal to you, my commander. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Alpanka. So you have the gut to invade the house of a girl whom you know she's my babe. Opanka, you actually forcing me on you. If I react, if you finally push me to the wall, I will do what you not like.
I'm sorry.
Better be sorry for yourself. Get out of my car.
Ah! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody...
It's coming already. Yes.
Please. Sir,
Hold on, I'll call you back. Hold on.
You need to take me away from here. Please take me away
Who is after
from
you?
There are a group of boys. I don't know who they are, but they're after me. No. Where are you going? No, please. You don't need to go. We need to leave now. Do you have a car? Please, we need to leave this place now.
Come.
Please, thank you, sir. Hi.
I hope you're more stable now.
Yes, I guess so. Thanks.
You're welcome. So, who were those guys after you?
I really do not know. I'm confused. If I had stayed one more second there, they would have abducted me. I don't know.
It's all right. You're going to be fine, okay? Yeah. Maybe we're going to make a report at the police station tomorrow.
You are God sent. I appreciate. Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, now that you're better, I have to go now.
No, please. I mean, don't go. I don't know. I'm scared and overwhelmed by the events of today. I don't want to be alone. Please.
Wow.
Hey.
What is going on here?
Well, I went into your kitchen and I saw some tubers of yam. So I thought to myself, what would tubers of yam be doing here if not that he is a yam lover? So I had to prepare yam porridge for breakfast.
Oh, thank you. Oh, the aroma alone. The aroma.
Really?
Oh my God, babe.
Come on.
Babe.
I just hope
See,
you like.
I had fun last night and this morning again. See enjoyment in front of me. Wow.
I hope you like it. Oh, you will like it.
G porridge.
Oh, you love.
Damn.
Oh,
Come on, let's pray. Let's
All
pray.
right.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, oh Lord, we thank you for this beautiful food with good aroma. Father, we thank you. We praise your name. In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Amen.
I can't wait.
I know, right?
Wait.
So rate me from 1 to 100. Woo!
Hey, babe.
Hi, darling.
You going out?
I just want to get home and pick a few things.
What do you want to go and pick? I mean, I've gotten everything you wanted for you. So, what else are you going to pick? Or are you tired of staying?
Oh, no. How can you say that? How can I be tired of staying here? Of course not. And thank you very much for all you got me. I just need to get home and pick up the stuff I don't have here. But I won't take long, okay? I won't take long.
Just know that I'm missing you already.
No. Don't worry, I'll be right back before you start missing me.
Just send me your account number so I'll transfer something to you.
Oh, darling, you're such a darling. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, see you. Thank you, baby. Bye.
Bye. She doesn't strike me like others.
Chief, no matter the urgency, you shouldn't be calling by this time of the night, Chief.
Listen to me, Ngozika. I own you and I can call you anytime I want. I thought that idiot is in our town. I needed you to come to me now. I am craving
Right now,
to eat you raw.
I'm sorry, Chief. It's not possible, all right? He's around and it's risky. You just have to manage yourself, please. Chief, you are already distracting me from the mission. All right, good night. Oh my God, this man should allow me to do this job now before he's going to implicate me in this retired Capone. What's all this? God, can you imagine the time? Yes, Chief, I just saw him off. I've been meaning to ask, for how long are we going to be doing this? I know the instruction and I still remember it. Find a way to get into his house, of which I'm inside here now. I've found my way. So, for how long am I going to be here? Because I've been here for close to what? 1 month?
You have been there for almost a month, and so what? Listen, you need to remain there because I need you for something useful. You are going to be useful when the time comes. So remain there.
Okay, Chief. But all I'm asking is, I just need to know the time frame.
The mafia has no time frame. You may end up living there for almost 1 year. Listen, I don't want that young man dead. I would have killed him long time ago if I wanted him dead. I need him to be alive for something that is very, very useful for me. So remain there. Monitor him every step of the way and give me information.
All right, Chief. I'll keep giving you the information you need. I'm already here, so I'll keep you posted.
Good. Now you must not make the mistake of falling in love with the target. I am going to turn you off myself if that happens.
Love? Chief, there is no love in the dictionary of a mafia girl, so there's nothing to worry about. I have it in check. Speak to you soon, Chief. Bye.
Thank your stars that you know.
He needs him alive for something big that is coming. And what could that be?
Chifolia Kata is her boss. She's a mafia girl sent for a mission. I'm still trying to unmask her.
This is insane. Hold on. You have this negative information about someone and the same person is still living under your roof? What kind of a man are you?
I'm a man that is always one step ahead of negative-minded people. Always.
You know what? I don't envy you at all. Honestly. For you have too much enemies.
Yes, if you do not have enemies, then you're nobody. One liked by all does not exist. I want you to understand that. You must have enemy. Drink up.
Why am I seeing your bag?
I'm leaving. I'm leaving this house. I mean, everything is stressing me. Your attitude, me staying here and receiving such ill treatment. I just need to go. I'm stressed. I need to go clear my head or something. Just go out, take a break.
Ngozi, just calm down, okay? It hasn't gotten to this point. Look, I understand the situation of things, but trust me, just bear with him.
Onye Melokwe, it has even gotten worse. I'm sick and tired of staying here. I need to leave. I mean, it's all he has ever wanted. You can take a look at him. He's quiet. He's not saying anything. So it's fine. He has gotten it. I'm leaving.
Wait, hold on. Guy, why are you not saying anything? Ngozi, why are you quiet? What's going on? Huh?
I am a look. If you had succeeded in stopping her, I would have asked both of you to leave.
Seriously? Yes. Trust me, this is so not nice. I mean, you've got a girl who truly loves you. A girl that is ready to stand by you. Tell me, what more are you looking for? Look, Bankadi, this time and era of life, what girls actually want is your wealth and whatever you can offer. But yes, Ngozika, all she demanded from me is just your time and care, affection. Why you?
My guy, listen to me. Be careful of what you envy. All that glitters is not gold.
I don't understand.
I decided to keep it mute so I understand where this is going. Ngozika is not who you think she is.
Wakey. Good morning, baby.
Babe, good morning. Oh my God. I hope I'm not late for my work.
Not at all. I won't even let you get late. Do you know what? Go into the shower while I get you a nice outfit.
You know, that's why I always say you're just the best.
And I'll remain fat for you. Okay, up. Wiki, yeah. Hey! Yeah. You look cute.
Oh, it's your choice. And it's perfect.
I know. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
Breakfast is ready. Come have breakfast.
Babe, I'm going to be late for this meeting. Please.
Hey, you have to eat.
I am going to
You just take a
eat.
sip.
I'll eat when I come back, okay?
Alright. You know what? When you return, I'm feeding you breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Deal.
Dear.
Love you.
I love you too, babe. Good luck. I'll just eat. What are you doing here? And how did you get in?
I still have my keys, fool.
What do you want?
What do I want? I came to see my boyfriend. Yeah, since you've decided to share the same man with me shamelessly. Bring it on. You're welcome. I mean, I'm generous.
Your boyfriend? Can you hear yourself? Are you this stupid? Are you this worthless? Why are you in a place where you're not wanted? Can't you just save yourself some respect? Listen, since you've decided to stay in here, I pray you don't cross my path. Else, I'll crush you, right? And ready to explain yourself. Once the owner of this house comes back, be ready to explain how you got in here. Stupid. Hey! You're not going anywhere. You're staying here. You want to crush me, right? Get ready. Woman to woman, speak to me. What are you doing here? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I just left for a little while, and what did you do? You packed your cursed self, your cursed luggages to take over this house. It's not working out. Not under my watch. Listen, I do not have luxury of time to spend with you over your madness, alright? Respect yourself. I don't want you trouble, right? I can do better than this. Get out! Excuse me! Silly girl!
Fidelis, why are you obstructing my way?
I intend to be peaceful today.
Good for you. But you've not answered my question. Why are you standing firmly before me?
I want you out of the race. How much have you spent so far? I am ready to pay you 500%.
Let me pretend like I didn't hear you. Let me excuse your ignorance. But I want to make something clear to you. Fidelis have made money before politics. So if you think that I am as cheap as you are, hell no! I am not! And there is no way I am going to disappoint the people of Njikoka by stepping down for a low-class thief like you.
Young man, mind your words.
Or you do what? What can you do? No, I'm supposed to be afraid of you. Because you go about harassing people, humiliating people with your hungry-looking thoughts. And you think you can do the same to me. Yeah?
Like I said before, I am peaceful today. Think about what I told you.
Fidelis, there is nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing to think about because you've not made a point. You're not making sense. Out of my way before I get the community vigilantes to bundle you and give you a dose of your own medicine.
Micheal Anosike.
That's my name.
I am not afraid when I sleep with a widow, Bacchus. I know where the husband is. Mark my word. Definitely, I said definitely, not under probability, I am going to win this election. And after that, I will put you and your so-called village vigilantes where you belong. Mark my word. Have a nice day.
It's only in a failed community a tout like you will match king. Alright? We shall see. I am promising you one thing. This election is going to be free and fair. It is going to be free and fair. Alright? No rigging. No sorting. I am a man will be watching.
When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom. And them they from say, not them.
In one short sentence, what are you doing here?
How can you be asking me that question? How? Why would you be asking me this question in the first place?
Answer him. He asked you a question. Chief Ife, what the hell are you doing here?
I don't know why you gave this thing the effrontery to stand in my way. Well, you know why I'm here. I'm here to see you, of course, you know.
Do you feel you have what it takes to destroy a man like me?
Hey, Pascal, you're hurting me. Come on.
You're just very stupid by still calling me Pascal. Are you crazy? Now listen. Next time, do not barge in on me the way you did today. Because if you do, you have yourself to blame. Hope I beg you well.
Oh, please, please, don't even say that. For you know that you can't even intimidate me with whatever you say now.
Now take your bag and get out of this place.
This is my place, and there's no...
And nothing, you fool. You know, I overrated you thinking that by now, you must have developed the brain to know when to get out. Do you know what? Get out before I unleash the demon in me. Get out now.
Why can't you hold this rump you've been sampling? Like, really? Why is she...
Huh? You should really hold it. I mean... Wait. Listen, baby.
Ouch.
Listen to me. Wait. Stop pushing me. Babe, don't get yourself worked up for unnecessary things. You know I got you.
I'm sorry about that.
It's nothing.
Are you sure you are not in love with this young man?
In love? No, Chief. How can you even say that? I'm not in love with him.
Because I don't understand what is going on. Why in this world will you go to his place to confront him? Why? I am already considering you a failure. I gave you a very simple task and you cannot deliver that.
Chief, I only went there to make everything look real. In case he was suspecting me. That's why I went there.
That your strategy is unknown. And I feel so disappointed that you are telling me that is your strategy. Listen, stop going to that place to go and do nonsense. Because if anything goes wrong, I am not going to become involved in any way.
Chief, are you upset with me now?
Stop giving me that. Because do you know who you are talking to? You feel I don't know what is going on? I gave you a task, simple task. Go stay very close to this young man, get me information so that when I strike, it will be on point. You left that, went to that place and fell in love?
No, Chief, I'm not in love with you.
Stop arguing with me because I know what is playing out. Be guided. Be guided.
I know you are still feeling bad over what happened earlier. But if you're listening to me, do not allow that to bother you at all.
That's why I say you're simply the best. Thank you for understanding.
You're all welcome. But come to think of it, is this how she's going to remain in our lives?
How can you say a thing like that? I told you I'm already putting her in her place. The reason for letting her hang around is no longer making sense.
I do not know what you plan to do. But are you aware that she has the key to the entrance of this house? She can patch in on us anytime.
Babe, I've already changed all the keys. Like I said, the reason for allowing her stay here is no longer working. As it concerns that idiot, Chief Oliakata, that it's no longer working. So she needs to be thrown out.
Please throw her out. I am no longer comfortable sharing my space with a lady with such a criminal presence.
Stop stressing yourself, okay?
Ngosika, I have thought this over and over and over again, and I came to the conclusion that it is not right for you to abandon this mission at the peak of everything.
Chief, I feel he now knows I'm linked to you. Staying there will only do me more harm than good.
You don't have anything to be worried about. My men are everywhere.
Chief, your men are outside. I'm the one staying in the house. And who knows, if something goes wrong, I'll be of more danger before help comes to me.
Okay, what about the other woman? I mean, the other woman who triggered the whole of this problem.
Chief, I don't even know what to say about her. I mean, she is so classless for me to dabble in her stupid affairs.
Says the one who I sent on a mission and she went there and started falling in love. Says the one who went fighting another woman because she forgot who she is.
Chief, I did not forget. Exactly what I did is part of the mission.
Listen, don't argue with me on this. Because had it been you stayed focused, had it been you stayed on the mission without allowing nonsense come in, you would have concentrated on what I sent you to do, getting me facts and getting me information.
Chief, she is a major distraction.
And that is because you have allowed your emotions to becloud your sense of reason. That's it.
No, Chief, there's no emotions attached. I'm still on point. I'm still on the mission, and trust me when I say that I am going to get it done. I've never failed, have I? And I can't begin to fail now.
You are still on point. I got it. I believe you. Okay then. Meet me in my room.
Chief, I'm on my cycle. I remember you said I should never let you come close to me if my cycle visits.
When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom. And them they from say.
Come and see it on yours. Come and see this. Come and see this. Imagine this insult. How could this useless son of Njikoka tie this political banner on the palace gate? Does this palace look to him like the headquarters of any political party?
That boy do not have the mind to do this. This is the handiwork of Chief Oliokata, and the reason is very well known to me.
My king, there is no reason cogent enough for him to do this. I feel someone should go down for this. This is an insult to the royalty, and I feel someone should go in because of this.
Don't allow this nonsense to distract us. He planned for me to say a word, but I will say nothing. He's a fool. The best answer to a fool is silence. Guards! Guards! Come and take this nonsense out of this case.
Them they from say, now them own the kingdom. But this set of people of Abana, they
That's nonsense.
Nonsense. Don't see it, Donyeze, as if I've not been listening to you. You see, but in the face of this insult, silence is not the best option.
Oh no.
If I call Chief Oliokata now, what will I be telling him? Sometimes it's better to make those who feel they know you to realize that they don't even know you at all.
I understand you perfectly well, Onyeze. Do not think I don't. But I feel...
Please, Ugochazo, let us not drag this. Trust me when I say I know what to do.
Whoa, you see the way they do change.
Who are you, please? I am talking to you. And why you dress so casual like someone who is at home?
And what makes you think I'm answerable to you?
A polite lady
Would have greeted first before requesting for an introduction, don't you think so?
Uh-huh. So, dear polite lady, should I take that to be an insult?
She's my guest. Yeah, she is here. Okay? She is here for me as my guest. Do you have a problem with that?
I should have known. I know, yes. Anyways, good evening, Daddy.
Good evening and welcome back.
Thank you.
Now that you are here, I want to plead with you. Do not create any negative energy around here.
All right, baby. I'll be upstairs.
Thank you. I don't know why you are looking at her like that. Why are you looking at her like that? What kind of look are you looking? Listen, that lady is doing for your dad what you know you cannot do for him. You should be respecting her, not disrespecting her the way you are going.
Daddy, you know, the more I try to convince myself that someday you're going to change into a good man, the more it dawns on me that it would never happen. I mean, it only gets worse. Good night, Daddy.
Don't create any negative energy when you get up there. I told you already. It is expecting me to change. A man who has already hijacked Njikoka and has made even the king to be answerable to him. A man who is living the best of his life. She wants the man to change. Change into what exactly?
When they play.
All right, Chief, make yourself comfortable.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Why is he not here? I thought you said Chief Oliokata is here.
Like I said, he's here, but that doesn't mean he's seated here. Of course, he's inside the house. I'll just call him for you.
All right.
Excuse me.
He's here, Madi. The one who refused to solve his personal problems. Yeah?
What are you doing in my compound?
Oleokata, is it because I refuse to desecrate Njikoka? Me too. Is that why you are calling me names?
What in the name of the gods are you doing in my compound?
Has your Delilah actually returned to you?
I asked a very simple question, Pascal Ibezim. What the hell are you doing in my compound?
Should be leaving.
I see. So you are the one who used this loser to gain entrance into my compound?
What's so special about your compound? What's so special here? Huh?
You see, you are still standing because I have not made you my business. But the way you are going, you will disappear without any trace. Mark it somewhere.
Anyway, I am not here for you, okay? And as for you, I've come to return this thing that you left under my bed. I am too connected with my chief to be associated with this nonsense.
Is this true?
What?
So you are parading yourself as a mafia girl, and you are actually an apostle of shams?
No, Chief. I don't know where this came from. Don't tell me you believe him. I don't know. I have nothing to do with it. Help me, Chams. No way. It's just a setup.
Hi, boss. You sent for me.
Opaka, what is going on? I need to understand what the hell is going on because you are not getting anything right again. What is going on?
I'm really sorry, boss.
That is not what I want to hear. I want to hear what you are doing. How come you're not giving me information? I need facts. Why is it that nothing is happening anymore? Why?
Sir, the truth is that my men and I are no longer working for you.
What did you just say? I mean, can you rephrase what you just said now?
I said that my men and I are no longer working for you. An order from higher hierarchy instructs us to stay away from you.
Did you mention this to me? No. Why didn't you tell me this? Are you by any means thinking that I don't have the capacity to protect you? Or are you confirming that you got another offer, better offer from somewhere? Is that it?
No, sir. It doesn't have anything to do with protection or offer. It's just an instruction that comes from a higher hierarchy. And I don't want the loss of negative dimension to fall on me and my men.
What? Oh, Pankadi is no longer a member of any confraternity. Why are you afraid of him?
Sir, I'm not afraid of him. Pankadi just finds favor from a higher hierarchy that favors him even when he's out.
Get out of my compound.
Sir,
I said you should get the hell out of my compound. What the hell? I am going to prove to all of you, disobedient idiots, that I am still the fire that burns out all your useless confraternities. Listen to me, Bullet. In the next 24 hours, I want to hear news.
The boss, I have never disappointed you before. And it can never start now.
We need to turn him off. to serve as a lesson to others. If you fail, I will be forced to on my own.
You don't need to conclude it, my boss. I know what you want, and that is exactly what I am going to do.
Do it.
Yes, boss.
Dad. Dad, who are we killing this time?
Stay out of my business. I am not going to warn you again.
Unfortunately, I can't. I really wish I could, but I cannot. That you're my father and I love you so much. I do not want you to end up badly.
You are the one who is already ending up so badly. That is the reason you will not mind your business. The reason you keep poking your nose into the things I do. Stop it. Melissa, stop. I may not be able to warn you again.
I met your father. Your father. My grandfather. And he told me that the worst crime on earth is murder. He told me that murderers never end well. That man raised, nurtured, and brought up so many great men. But what keeps baffling me is how you, who came out from his loins, turned out to be a monster. That's a mystery I've not been able to unravel, Daddy.
Listen to me, Melissa. The mere fact that somehow you remind me of my mother is the reason I am tolerating all your excesses. That is why I keep receiving all the rubbish you keep throwing at me. I need you. Call yourself to a closed-door meeting and advise yourself accordingly. This fact that I am always tolerating you will end one day. Look at me. I don't have a conscience.
Daddy, you need to stop. You need to stop. Stop it already.
Why am I having this very disturbing feeling that you actually invited me here to insult me? Why?
Tifoliokata, you have been insulting me. If I insult you small as a member of my age grade, is it a problem?
Could this be the reason you summoned me here?
Tifoliokata, all through your adult life, you have been a taker who has been consistently taken from the land of Njikoka. Can you at least change and be a giver?
I still feel highly insulted. And honestly, I am beginning to lose it. Honestly. What is this?
We have less than 3 weeks to the election. Chain your dog.
What do you mean by chain your dog? Did anybody tell you I am a breeder of dogs?
Dogs are pets, only when they are not violent. But when the dogs become too violent, it receives the brutality that it deserves. In Njikoka land, when we kill a mad dog, we locate the owner. For the very first and last time, Tifoliokata, I tell you, chain your dog, for your dog is mad.
Whoa, you see the way they do change.
Good to see you, Micheal Anosike.
Good to see you, Tifoliokata.
I can see you are getting stronger and stronger by the day.
And of course, I think it's a wonderful experience.
I want to ask you just one simple question. A credible man like you, son of the soil, why will you allow yourself to be deceived by a cultist like Pascal Ibezim?
Oh, are you so sure about it? Then if you're sure, why not allow me worry about it? Yeah, Chief Oliokata. Yeah?
When I decide to perforate men, I will first make sure that the vultures are gathered already.
You see the way they do things.
We shall see.
Honestly, Pankadi, you have to be very careful because you never can tell. That might be one of their strategy.
There is no permanent friend, and there is no permanent enemy.
Trust me when I say I don't envy you. I don't at all. Because you have too much enemies. Look, the honest truth still remains. Even riding with you now, I'm a bit scared.
Do you actually think that someone is somewhere plotting my death? Don't be scared, my brother. Don't be scared. As long as I'm doing the right thing, no enemy can destroy me. Nobody.
And I will keep praying for you on your behalf as a friend.
Hey, my friend, my friend.
You're very stupid to actually make this call. Spyro, listen, when you were a commander, you worked for me. What makes you think you can stop somebody else from doing that now? I am still the Otipo of this place. Nobody messes around with me and goes scot-free. And who are you to make me deny anything? Who the hell do you think you are? I am in the business of sending signals. And if the signal I have just sent is not enough, I will send another one. Get off my phone, you fool. Who the hell do you think you are? Bullet!
The boss.
Come here. Ah.
The Otukpo Olokpo of the universe. I too like your way, my boss.
That's it.
And that should be because someone is down. Fill me in. Who is the victim this time?
Listen to me. Buy ticket as soon as possible and get out of this place.
Why the urgency? Why the urgency, Dad? Have you finally dragged us into trouble? Are we in trouble now? Are we in trouble now?
If you stay back asking useless questions, you are going to be hit by a stray bullet. When it happens and you drop dead, I am not going to spend time mourning you because you were a thorn in my flesh. Bullet.
Boss.
Buy more weapons.
Noted, my boss.
Weapons of war.
Noted.
So, how did you do it?
I never did anything extraordinary. I stood by the truth. And once you're standing with the truth, you always be the winner.
Well, as it is now, it's just for you to declare your candidate the winner, as there is no opposition.
There is still one more person, but not as hot as Chief. Uleteka wants to kill everyone.
I agree with you. I'm so happy. I mean, the tension is going down. But, on the other note, I would advise you not to be distracted with that.
Honestly, I knew there is more to this, because I remember that young man who wants my support. I never knew that things would come out like this. Of course, I'm extra careful.
Yeah. Well, in that case, let's proceed with the meeting.
Here he comes. The person we're waiting for. The person we're waiting for.
More. My boss. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please sit. Let me get you something to drink.
Good.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I can see you're already smelling nice.
Exactly. You can say that.
Of course. The one the cap fits.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I like that idea.
Help yourself.
Oh, yeah. You know, there is still one candidate rebellion. And one cannot tell what Shifoli Akata is capable of. Yeah? You know that.
You may be right. But on the other note, I will tell you to forget about that man. Yes, just go ahead and start making preparations for your victory speech. As a matter of fact, your manifesto speech needs to come out heavy.
I'll do just that.
Of course.
I'll trust me on that.
Chief, there is a news reaching me that Fidelis Okoli has stepped out of the race.
He's a fool to feel he can frustrate me. I am going to push him into the grave he has dug for himself.
Wait, does it mean you have lost? What? Yeah, because I don't think there's any possible means for you to get another candidate for an election that will hold on Saturday. It's not possible.
Ngozika, to the best of my knowledge, you are not a politician. You have never contested for any political office in your life. The closest you have come to politics is the one that I made you. So stop discussing politics at that level. You don't know anything. What do you mean?
Chief, I'm only saying, based on what just happened, Fidelis is the only link that we have towards the pulse of the local government. Now he has stepped out. How do we survive? How?
Okay, now that we don't have any access to the local government pulse, all along that we don't have it, how have we been surviving?
I discovered that you're not good with words, so I decided to stay off your path.
Your opinion is so valid. But after our last meeting, one would think that, you would have taken my advice and, go get a life, like I said. Are you still here?
Why am I still here?
Don't you have brains in your head?
No, don't you have brains in your head? I'm sure you don't, because if you did, you would know I'm here for your father. I'm his lifeline. If I leave, he dies. You should know this. What's so funny?
Inga, you're my father's lifeline. And if you leave him, he will die. The same thing he tells those useless girls that throw themselves at him. Really? Hell. Oh, one name. Ifenkili.
Wait, sorry. Are you by any means telling me he has other women?
Ifenkili. Omotosho. Doctor's prescription. 3 times a day. Finleja. Very fair, tall lady.
My goodness. How can I just avoid this witch? God.
Fidelis Okoli,
Who advised you to take such a weak and very stupid decision that you took? Who advised you?
Nobody advised me. It's not obvious we've lost the battle.
Huh?
Yes. The only mistake I made is going through you. I would have gone through Pankadi.
Wait. Are you by any means referring to me as a failure? Is it my fault in any way that you are a lily-livered, faint-hearted chimpanzee that will run away in the face of challenges? Is it my fault?
All I wanted to do is to serve my people. Before I realized that you have no such intention. So I decided to step down to protect my reputation, my integrity, so that next election, I will know people to align with.
And I am telling you here, to your face, that you have finally lost the chance of becoming the chairman of our Njikoka local government council. In the so-called coming election that you're already preparing for, let me tell you, even if you manage to make angels your campaign managers, you will never be the chairman of this council. Go and mark it somewhere.
Chief. You always speak like you are God, but you are no God. Let me tell you, all the people you've killed in this community definitely must come after you. Mark my word, put me anywhere.
Are you referring to me as a murderer? No, is that it?
Chief, that's what you are. And be ready, Bacchus. Your daughter definitely will testify against you in the law court. Chief, is that bad? Yes.
Boss, should I not take him out once and for all?
Don't worry yourself. I will handle him when the time comes. And I will handle him my way.
Okay, boss.
Okay, one. Even your bow up, but I don't milk your bamboo yellow.
Whoa, you see the way they do change.
Oh no, see, it's obvious now that Chief Oliokata evil in this land is everywhere. Is it not better we brief the various leadership of the youth to deal with him?
Ichiamadi, once you see a drowning man, leave him to his fate.
What does that mean? Oh no. So we should fold our hands and let him get away with his evil? Mbano.
The way I'm seeing it, the forces that keep watch over the kingdom are already dealing with him. Huh? Let's allow them do their job.
Oh no.
Ichiamadi, let's go home.
You know, I was so excited this morning when I heard the news that your candidate finally dropped out of the race. That's a very brave move, if you ask me.
Yeah, same thing she said to me after saying all this rubbish. She's not even hiding it.
The question should be, why should I not be happy? I mean, I am happy for you because this will relieve you from being a politician in Njikoka for a while. And to me, that's good for you. Daddy, listen. This is what I think you need. I think you need a warm massage, like a very long one, and probably with a happy ending. And shit right there is equal to the tax. Right, darling? Daddy, take a trip. Go somewhere nice and cool and have fun. You know, Daddy, take a trip. You know, go somewhere nice and cool and have fun.
You see, there is only one reason I have not turned her off. She reminds me so much of my mother. But always, she is crossing the line.
Well, if you ask me, I kind of like what she said.
Is it that you are sick in the head or something? How can you be happy with the fact that my daughter is working against me?
Chief, she is not working against you. She wants you to leave. Just as she said, you and I should go on a vacation and maybe lodge in a 5-star hotel, like she said. Have a good massage, spa, and then we'll just be there until this entire crisis thing is over, and you and I will come back fresher.
What I think is that you are very beautiful and you are still a fool.
What did I do?
If you force me to send you out, you will not have a roof over your head anywhere you go. I am that brutal.
When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom.
Excuse me, who are you and what are you doing here? I'm with him, okay? All right. Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, please, my boss wants to see you.
Sorry, who is your boss?
He's outside waiting for you, please.
So why then did you cover your face?
Please don't keep my boss waiting, okay? And don't worry about my nose marks. I am not feeling too well, so I don't want to infect so many people. So shall we?
Them they from say, now them own the kingdom. But this set of people of Abana, they ram. Jay, Fabundo joy and well and no bodo. Aye.
Where is he?
He's in the car.
Fabundo joy and well and no bodo. Aye, aye. You see the way they do things. Aye.
You mean you walked all the way from your house to my father's compound to ask me to be your friend?
Well, personally, I don't see anything wrong in that. Your father is a great man, and I know you need someone like me. Listen, Melissa, I am here because I know I need someone like you.
Well, I have a question for you, and I appreciate it if you answer me sincerely. Did my father send you to me?
I don't understand. Why would your father send a man to you?
I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm curious. I have this strange feeling, and I am only trying to clarify that. Listen, I will say this just once. I am not, and I will never be interested in being your friend. I won't want to talk about this again. Thank you.
Why are you judging me in a hurry? I am here because I love you. That's just it.
I haven't judged you yet. But if you make me judge you, I will not only make sure that you wake up behind bars, I will make sure that you appear before the judiciary system of government.
What else do I have to do?
You see what I'm saying? He called me a while ago that he was driving in. Is that not his car parked outside there? Where then is he?
Your Majesty, I'm just as confused as every other person. Yeah, you, come. Where is the owner of that car that is parked outside?
I opened the gate for him to drive in, and suddenly a man just came in and called me out, and that is the end of it.
Did you tell me about it?
No, Your Majesty. I thought you were aware. I'm sorry about that.
Sorry about what? You thought I'm aware of what I was not told? People around the king should give him every information he needs to know. That's how king is aware of the environment. He is. Now get out.
Oh no, it busts down on what I'm saying. Insecurity. I think it's time Your Majesty will start using our youth.
What does that mean? There is no insecurity in my kingdom.
It is not established well, Your Majesty. Men like Chief Oliokata is dangerous. He's the one causing insecurity in our community and need to be handled immediately before it becomes late. Oh.
He's not picking his call.
Oh.
Relax, Your Majesty, relax. We are going to sort all these things out.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, Your Majesty. I greet you, sir. How are you, sir? What? Missing? How? How did it happen? Okay, I'm coming. I'll be on my way. Okay.
Babe, who's missing?
I don't even know what Your Majesty is talking about. Michael. Let me just get there. I'll be back soon. Okay?
Okay.
Let me change.
Boy, did I not tell you that I'm going to get you? And that I'm going to put you in your place. Did you believe me? Now, where is Pakade to save you? Where?
Micheal, Yokata, what you fail to understand is that power has changed hand. No more godfatherism in Njikoka. Alright? So go ahead. Do whatever you want to do to me. Kill me. But you cannot kill the vision I have for Njikoka. You cannot.
You are very stupid to be saying this nonsense into my face. Listen, here, where you are, I am the one who should be doing the talking, not you.
Chief Oliokata, what do you want from me?
You are too basic for me to want anything from you. I don't want anything from you, but soon I am going to decide what I want to do with you. Listen, don't give him anything to eat. Don't give him anything to drink until I decide his fate.
Yes, boss.
His fate.
Yes, boss.
Because you don't provoke me. When I move, you move.
You see the way they are doing evil in the name of politics. AI, you see the way they do AI.
Why didn't you leave when you were asked to do so?
Your time will always come. when a people will decide to take their fates in their own hands. Don't worry, you will see the change when it comes. Don't worry.
I can see you have some balls. We shall see how the balls will take you.
Whoa. You see the way they do things. When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom.
Chief, are you sure this is not going to backfire? I mean, you getting him kidnapped.
Well, Pascal is the target. I want him to file out in search of the one he has been deceiving. In that process, I am going to open him up and allow the birds of the air feed on his carcass.
But Chief, you are the principal suspect. Doesn't that bother you?
Okay, let us even assume that it is established that I am the principal suspect, like you said. Who is that person in Njikoka who can challenge me? Who?
Well, I know how powerful you are. I'm only bothered.
You don't need to be bothered about me, Nkosika. Don't. And I am beginning to feel that the time has come for you to embark on that vacation. This is the time. And what is running through that head of yours?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm just thinking about how all this will end. I should be in my room now. Excuse me.
It's okay. I am not evil. I have never been evil. The people are the ones who will always push me to the wall. Now, when I decide to defend myself my way, they will say Chief Olinando Uliokata is evil. How am I evil?
These are the reasons I stay away from politics. Because they are ready to go to the extreme. And I'm not ready.
But we cannot run away from politics and allow the demons like Uliokata to be taking decisions about our future and the future of our children.
But you see that young man that steps down, he is the suspect here.
Not at all. That boy is not the suspect. Chief Uliokata is the suspect. Yes, and I'm making arrangements for his arrest already.
Pascal, the very reason I called you here, what are we going to do? I don't want that young man to be killed by them.
They know what will happen to them if that young man is killed. They know what will happen to them if they kill that young man. The whole country will be too small for them.
I'm not asking you to take unnecessary risk. No.
The one who has decided to make our once peaceful Njikoka the arena of war should be the one to be called to order. That is it.
You should tackle.
You startled me.
I did?
Yeah.
Why have you not left the evil man? I mean, what are you hoping to achieve cohorting with a killer?
You know, most times I wonder if Chief is truly your father. You say the most damaging things against him.
Well, I'll tell you why. Those who hijack the system and let nothing work can never be as happy as they would have been if they had allowed the system to work and everybody is happy. Think about it.
You're wasting our time, sir. All the truth we said.
Yes. I stepped down on my own. Nobody forced me to. How will I kidnap a man I gave my blessings and promised to work with? How?
That promise is what made you a suspect.
How does that make me a suspect, officer? I stepped down when I realized that that man has good plans for this local council.
The location app on your phone indicates that you have not been in Njikoka for days.
Exactly. I've been in Port Harcourt supervising the job I'm doing for my client in Canada.
I don't care what you went there to do. But how come you came back yesterday and that same yesterday, this man was abducted?
Officer, haven't you heard of coincidence before? It's just a mere coincidence, officer. Like I told you before, I have no hand in that adoption.
I put it to you that you left to finalize your plan. And after your gang members have given you the assurance that they have him, you returned.
Officer, no matter how much you put it to me, that can never make me guilty.
Get yourself a lawyer. Get yourself a lawyer. Because even though we find him, I will still charge you to court.
That will be waste of time.
Yes, I will charge him for abduction.
Officer, that will be waste of time. If you like, you can do it, but that will be waste of time.
You will not go scot-free. You will not go scot-free.
Have you made a decision on what you want to do?
I don't understand what that means.
I mean, like, what you will be doing with your life. Have you thought of maybe a kind of assignment you want to be doing for the network that you may present for my consideration, or should I send you on another mission?
Chief, at this point, I think we need to define what we're actually doing.
What does that mean?
Chief, you are the only man that's done to me what no other man has ever done to me in this life. I have been with you all this time, and you should not be thinking of sending me off to another man again, because I will not go. I'm not going anywhere else. I'm staying here.
And by that, are you threatening the Otibolo of Njikoka?
I'm not threatening you, Chief. All I'm saying is that by now you should be jealous. You've had the best of me, and if you're thinking that you discard me by sending me off to another man, oh no, Chief. It's not going to work. I'm not going to any other man. No more.
Does it mean that you're stupid or something? Are you sick in the head? I sent you on a mission and you failed woefully. Instead of you to be thinking on how to remedy the mess you created by not delivering on the job, this is what you're saying?
If you want to discard me, settle me.
Does it mean that I don't understand? Settle you for what? Do you think I pluck money from the trees? I sent you on a mission, and you failed woefully to the extent that a man like Micheal came into the race and is about to become the chairman of the council, and you're not even aware of it, and you're telling me that I should settle you? Don't provoke me, please. Don't provoke me.
Chief, even your daughter has given up on you. She sees you as a murderer. She's ready to testify anytime, any day against you. I'm the only one who has been hanging on to you, and this is what I get? Wow. Just wow.
I'm sorry if it didn't come out well. But you should know. You should know what this network is all about. You failed on a mission and you should be remorseful. You should be thinking on how to remedy the mess you created. You know it yourself. I am not so good in managing anger. I'm sorry for what I said if you don't like it. But you should be able to know that I am not good in managing anger.
How can a man like this have a heart of stone?
Get down. Sit down. I am sorry, I have to do my job.
Chinedu, this is no job. What has come over you? You're not a killer, but this man is making you look like one. Is it because he renamed you Bullet? He has transformed you to a monster, Chinedu. You have a bright future right ahead of you, and I want you to get that life.
Listen, stop preaching to me, okay? Stop it! Because you cannot change me.
Chinedu, please, Chinedu, I beg you. I am your sister and I've not...
But you have been sleeping with him!
Okay, I can explain to you. There are some things that you do not understand, but please don't kill me. I beg you, Chinedu, please don't kill me, please! Please!
Bullet, are you sure you silenced her completely?
That was the instruction, my boss, and I carried it out perfectly.
You know, it became clear that she was trying to use the information at her disposal to hunt me. So taking her out is the best way to solve this problem once and for all.
My boss, you don't need to worry. She won't be able to hunt you from the land of the dead.
Good. You may leave now.
Thank you, boss.
Tomorrow.
All right, boss.
I don't even know what I was thinking. I allowed her to get so close and know so much. It's good she's got. Maybe in her next life, she will decide differently.
It is 3 days now, my king. 3 days. What are we going to do about it?
What is your suggestion?
If the police cannot arrest Chief Okata for questioning, when we are aware he is the principal suspect, then let us invite him and force him to swear on the staff of the kings.
Oh, no. I would rather allow the police continue and conclude the investigation than to allow a notorious criminal who is waiting for the gods to rise against him to come anywhere close to the ancient staff of my fathers.
You have a point, my king. But we cannot allow that promising young man to be killed.
If his chi has not approved his death, 1 million Oliokata cannot kill him.
No one asked me to step down. I did on my own. So what will I gain if I harm or kidnap him after I step down? The accusation was wrong.
I wasn't the one who accused you. The police did. For a reason best known to them. They said you were a suspect.
So why haven't they picked up the main suspect?
That was the same question I asked the divisional police boss, and he said the investigation is still on. I did not know. They cannot arrest the man. From what I see, they are very afraid of him.
Afraid of him? Why is this country like this? Afraid of a man when someone's life is at stake? How?
Are you sure about this?
Your Majesty, the person who called gave the detailed information. Chief Okata is the criminal here. And you have to use your office to invite the Commissioner of Police and get him into work. His plan is to hold Micheal until the election is over.
And now he's nowhere to be found. He will still win the election.
And Chief Okata will have a reason to kill him. Let us arrest him now and hold up his evil plans.
Fidelis Okoli, I know you will be wondering why I invited you over. I called you because Micheal Anosike is no longer in the race. So I need you to issue a press release today saying that you are back in the race. And everything, trust me, once you issue that statement, leave the rest to me, everything will fall back in place. And we can pick it up from there.
Chief, I am not one of those men that go back on their vomit. I have left the race. I am no longer interested. No going back, Chief.
Fidelis Okoli, I need you to understand that this is politics. It has gone beyond what you want as an individual. This is politics, and you have to play politics in line with the rules of the game. The election is in few days. In line with the rule, I can no longer present another candidate now. It is too late. You are my candidate. And that is why I want you to make yourself available by issuing this press release that you are back on the race. Just do this, and allow me to do the rest.
Chief, I am no longer interested. I am no longer interested. You are not going to force me to present myself. It's not possible. I am no longer interested. Is that so difficult for you to understand?
What I understand is that you are no longer interested to do the job. But please, can you present yourself for this election?
As a statue, or what?
We are going to win it, and then you will stay out. Leave it for me.
And my name will be there. Later, take the blames.
We are the people that are running here.
Chief, I'm no longer interested.
What is wrong with you? I mean, why are you creeping around at this time of the night? Why have you not go to sleep?
Are you scared of something? Are you sure you're okay?
Are you sick? Scared of who? Why are you not sleeping?
That's not the question. Why are you sneaking around? Why are you sneaking into your own house if you're not scared of anything?
Scared of who? Scared of you? I don't even have the time for this.
Well, the police were here.
What did you just say?
You heard me. The police were here. They came here this evening. They were right here in this house. Not those regular boys, not those ones you've already bought over. I'm talking about Ogbonge police from the capital. They were here.
And what did they come here to do? I hope you didn't listen to them.
Of course I did. How would I have visitors and not attend to them? Dad, I don't know why they were here, but I'm sure you'll find out by the time you call the number on this card. Yes, in your own best interest, I urge you to call them. Here, Daddy, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Good night.
What kind of useless daughter do I have? Why in this world will she receive any paper from the police? Now these useless officers will say that I have been served. What kind of nonsense is this?
I know you're not going to believe me, but that is the truth. I graduated with a first class in policy management, and it was due to unemployment that I accepted a job offer from Chief Oliokata. Little did I know that I was lured into some kind of job that would have taken my own life.
So why are you telling me all this?
Kadi, I'm telling you all this because I want you to forgive me. I'm very sorry. I was commissioned into your life to get informations for Chief. I'm sorry.
I figured it out. That's why I was technically with you.
But you were so nice, loving, and you acted mature from day one. And that was what made me lose all the meanness in me. I did not give Chief any information concerning you because I loved you from the very first day we met.
Because you can stop sounding in a pitiful voice. Nothing can ever connect us again. Nothing.
Well, I'm already dead to Chief because he thinks I'm dead by now. And that's why I need someone like you to be able to stand again. Please.
First of all, I just want to thank you for calling to tell me the person that is involved in the abduction. Chief Uliokata will go in for the crime of abduction. So he shouldn't be the cause of your worry.
Wait, does that mean you have forgiven me?
If I still have anything against you, I won't be here with you. But the thing is that we just have to understand each other. You just have to be you, and I'll be me. Nothing attached anymore. Okay?
Dad, I am curious. The police invited you, but you've not told me why they did. Please tell me.
Melissa,
Sir?
if there is ever a time you are going to prove to me that you came from my loins, this is the time.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
I am not around. Just in case anybody comes here, press that gate bell or knock on that gate, and you confirm they are police officers with any card to give to their fathers and not me. Tell them that I'm not around.
Ah, see. Uliokata, you're here. Look at you.
What is wrong with you? You son of a cow. Why are you constantly invading my privacy? What is your problem?
Chief Uliokata, you're under arrest for abduction of Micheal and Osiki, unlawful detention and intention to commit murder. You are advised to remain silent, for whatever you say or do now will be used against you.
You are very stupid. You are very stupid to think you can shut me up. Who the hell do you think you are?
Undo him!
I'm sorry I have to do this. Okay?
Move. Stand up!
Hold on.
Stand up! If you resist arrest, I'll shoot your leg. Stand up!
He's not resisting arrest.
Move.
What?
Sir, move it.
What? You are alive?
He saved me.
What?
Yes, we arrested him in the facility where you keep your victim. You have been escaping so many crimes, but this one, you will not escape.
Chief went too extreme this time around.
He's going in for life, if I'm not mistaken.
Babe, are you sure that man will not bribe his way out of it? He has done that so many times.
A time will come when the system will not work. And that time is now. He's going in for it. And to you, my love, thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for your caring. Thank you for your love. Your prayers have done it all. Just know that I will always love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
Thank you, my elders. My king. Thank you very much. And to Odogu, my mentor, Odogu Akataka.
You see, the people are happy.
Yes, so. Everybody everywhere is happy because it is dawning of a new day in this community.
We have no doubt that you will deliver. Yes, we have so much confidence in you that you will deliver. My prayer for you is that you started in peace and you will end up in good health. And not only that, you are going to a greater and a bigger position in this community.
And once again, I am happy that I'm able to do it again in Njikoka. You know, I'm able to make the people of Njikoka happy once again. I am ready to bring in more development and peace, most especially in this community. Ogukoram non. Okay, na boy.
Njikoka, Rien?
Yeah.
You see, when you see a true son of the soil,
yes,
you will know. When a man has a child that will take his lineage to the nearest future, he's not scared of death.
Yes,
For that reason and for all you have been doing in this kingdom, we know who here will liaise with you to find a time convenient for you for your chieftaincy title.
Igwe is an honor well deserved. He deserves it. Hey, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
Thank you.